Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're experiencing an issue that Windows 11 update KB5043145 not installing. So generally KB5043145 is an optional non-security updated released by Microsoft for Windows 11 versions 23H2 and versions 22H2. The main improvements and new features of this update are concentrated on the taskbar, the settings interface, lock screen interface, and the start menu. And then I'll show you some effective solutions to solve that. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the Windows update. Kung paano ba natin yan gawin? So dito lang sa search menu, so click mo lang yan. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu, and then select mo lang dito yung system. And dito sa right side ay scroll down lang tayo, and then select mo lang dito yung troubleshoots. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa troubleshoots, under dito sa options ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters. So click lang natin yan. And dito sa other troubleshooters, under dito sa most frequent, and then select mo lang dito yung Windows update. And dito lang sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung run. So i-click mo lang yan. And wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. Alright, so after completing the troubleshooting, and next solutions we will do is to restart the app readiness service. Kung paano ba yan gawin? So dito lang ulit sa search menu, and dito sa search for app. So type mo lang dito yung services, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa services and services local. And then next step, dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung app readiness. Okay? So ito siya. So kailangan mo lang i-select yan, and then kailangan mo lang mag-double click and pop up itong kanyang app readiness properties. So dito lang sa general, and dito lang sa startup type. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan, and then select mo lang dito yung automatic. And next step, so dito lang sa service status, i-click mo lang dito yung start, and wait natin na ma-complete. And then after dito sa service status, and then dito lang sa baba ay click mo lang dito yung apply, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. And after dito sa services, so dito lang sa start menu, and then i-click mo lang dito yung restart. Okay? I-click lang natin yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows update with error code KB5043145 not installing in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.